the real gem of our 1982 graduating batch. He has got a very versatile and multifaceted personality.
When Unni left Thermax to work abroad, Rohinton asked him if he would come back and join the company. And he readily agreed, and he kept his word and didn't even look around for better opportunities.
A very strong memory I have of Unni is when I went to Dubai and interviewed Unni with the erstwhile CEO at that point in time, and asked him to come and join Thermax and join us in our waste management and water division. He joined and the rest is history.
He was a quick learner. He understood technology, people, customers, competitors, corporate, everything so quickly that it hardly required any handholding.
My dear Unni, you've had an amazing journey at Thermax. You can be rightfully proud of the way you have steered Thermax through all its ups and downs to what it is today.
We always said in the team, if you don't know, ask Unni. Wikipedia was founded in 2001. Unipedia preceded it.
My best experiences with Unni is for business building, be it acquisition of Danstoker in Europe or setting up of the greenfield facility for manufacturing boilers in Indonesia, or for setting up the Industry 4.0 based facility for chiller manufacturing in Sri City.
I have been privileged to work with Unni for more than 10 years and in the people area. His two underlying messages have been very strong. One, whatever we do in the company must touch and benefit the last employee in the company. Second, people don't listen to leaders. People do what leaders do, and therefore be a role model whom people would like to emulate.
Unni, what a great support you have been to the Indian industry and to the institutions that you have worked with. Our go-to man from CII on anything got to do with labor, on industrial relations, it has been Unni.
I recall one instance when I had gone to Philippines to finalize an order, and at the last moment customer asked us to include civil works, which is very unusual for us. And I called you from there for consultation, and you told me right on the spot, go ahead, find a contractor there, do an estimate and take the order. Don't worry, you will succeed.
Unni, it's been a real pleasure working with you over these last 13 years. I've really enjoyed it, and I want to thank you for partnering me because we've moved the company from being 40% green to almost 70% green. Something that both of us are passionate about, and I just want to thank you for making this happen.
I'm sure you have a lot to offer to the world outside as you begin your second innings. All the best.
I have had the pleasure of being with Unni on over 200 calls perhaps in the last 3 to 4 months. And during this time, the ease with which he has passed the reins to me has been an incredibly memorable experience for me. Unni, your stage has been Thermax, but going forward, it is India. And with those best wishes that you take India forward, we wish you adieu from Thermax.